drawers are gutted out. There is a bunk here, a shelf, some other woodworking things, nice shelf. Another bunk on this side.
I think those are the doors to this closet.
Probably. And then there's a door to that cabinet there. So there are some drawers. Almost needs to be cleaned out, but it's not horrible. It's all doable. And that's the door to the head. We knew rebuilding the water tank was going to be an issue. Putting a bladder in was too big of a cost. They're a couple $1,000s. So Jay used his skills and he and Isaac cut down the wall of the tank, ground it out with his grinder, and then painted it with a food grade silicone material to make it a clean tank. We covered the top with starboard and sealed it all with 5200. Added shelf areas for storage, just like we have on our other Morgan. The deck fill hose was replaced and then connected through to the top of the removable part of that panel. We have some storage stuff there, but he added an access panel so that we can see in there and be able to keep that tank clean. The water tests out just as good as any water in any faucet, and it's a beautiful brand new baby water tank just for Jay using his skills. The silicone material was $25 for a gallon, and the rest was his labor. So here we are with the new aft cabin in progress. The plywood base of the bedding is all replaced. The steering is all reconnected. There's a new port light in the back, and the other one was repaired. Jay's cleaned up everything, and he's choosing paint colors and a painting scheme, and he's added wainscoting to places where the wood was damaged beyond what we could fix from water incursion. They're going to clean up that teak a little bit more, get rid of some of those spots where the nails are. Inside the cabinets have all been painted with kills to prevent any mold growth in there. And it won't be long till the new mattress will be available, and we will have it all ready to go. Jay likes the white cabinet doors in contrast with the teal that we're going to paint in other areas. The white, the teak, the teal gives them a more tropical look. And then here's a closer look at where he added wainscoting in the aft cabin, and that'll all just also be painted. It's going to get all of this done, and then we'll add new floors. It's looking pretty good. So this is the shower bathroom in progress. The toilet is mounted, the holding tank is mounted behind. We're getting ready to, we cleaned up all those cabinets, putting up the new towel bar. We put an air conditioner in the wall there, but it heated the engine room up too much. Sink, faucet with a pull out for mini showers. We have little induct fans, just a little sun shading. So this is all in progress. Clean up now. We have an access panel to access the tank, the holding tank, the new toilet. It's all painted. Towel bars installed. We still have trim work to do, painting, panels to replace in the ceiling that were accessed for winches. A new mirror needs to go up. And there's our electric controllers for our solar. So she's coming right along, looking pretty good. Just little titches that need to be taken care of. An air conditioner mounted so that it vents into the engine room, overheated it too much. So the boys need a little stress relief. They're tussling a little on the dock, cooling them down with a cold drink, and Jay is singing them a song.